out. But I think where we'll end up landing is if AI is allowed more or more widely accepted in the sync space, it's mostly going to be AI assisted, meaning you can use AI as a creation tool, creation partner, but you're still, you know, crafting this stuff together, even if you're using those tools. And I think it'll just come down to the tools you're using to make sure you're not having any clearance issues. That's where I think this will end up landing, and AI won't completely take over sync, which, has been the sentiment of some. That's what I think. And then things will kind of even out, all this hype will settle down, and then it'll be just like who was that? We were talking about it in the hub. Who posted that? We're talking about like the synthesizers, when the synthesizers came out and the drum machines, and everybody thought drummers and musicians were about to be replaced, and these these synthesizers were just about to play themselves, I guess, and these drum machines were just about to make their own beats. Um, you know, you have those times. You got the self-playing piano. I remember, like, you still see some of those in random places, but it's like, how fun is it to watch a piano play itself? Like, it's just not that, like, once you see it, it's like, okay, the keys are moving, no one's there. And then you walk, you keep walking, and it's usually like in some random museum lobby or some some random lobby. Whereas it's like you're not even there to literally watch anybody play anyway. But yeah, man, it's yeah. I think that's where to be. But it has definitely been a great assistant in the studio. Um, I was using it just last night, working on some sessions. I would get things ready, session ready, boom, go, tell it, hey, this joint's ready to go. Create these stems, blah, blah, blah. While it's creating stems, boom, I got the MPC right here, working on the next track. While it's knocking out the stems, putting it in the folder I need to put it in. It's renaming the folder, everything, all that stuff is doing it. And it's been nice. And if I have an issue with something, like, I could just ask it. And I've been, you know what? I've been using the mic more. I've been using just talking to it more than typing, which has been fun because it feels more so like literally just talking to an assistant. Allison has a question. It says, if a reference track they give is 4 minutes long, so should you make it 4 minutes long or shorten it to 2:30 sync style? I would shorten it to 2:30 sync style. A lot of times the reference tracks aren't, they don't, like, they're not looking for it to be like the same length all the time. It's just like, this is what we want sonically, but don't make it 4 or 5 minutes long. It's just what they're looking for sonically. So I would shoot for 2:30, and I think you'll be fine. I feel like 4 minutes is kind of 4 minutes is long. 4 minutes is long. But yeah. That's what I would gather. Says at least you got the A and E the right way around. You'd be surprised at the folks who get it wrong. It's been a few weeks since I submitted all deliverables of an album that was approved. How long it takes for the library to get back to you with the contract? Should I follow up? Yeah, I would follow it. So if it's been a few weeks, yeah, I would follow up, give them a nice nudge. Hey, just checking in. You need anything else from me on my end? Just let me know. Yeah, I would give them a nice little nudge, especially after submitting deliverables. Always, man. I hate both. Customer service is awful no matter. You know what? I ain't gonna lie. Like most cases, yeah. Customer service has been failing all the way around. I've been dealing with a customer service issue this week, and it's just wild because I'm like, why Why do y'all even have business hours? And I have not talked to anyone in like 48 hours. Who works? Is anybody working? Voicemail, I've left voicemails, emails, calls. Nobody. Like nobody's there. That's frustrating. You should be able to talk to somebody. And within a couple days, you would think. But I don't know, man. And also, I don't really like bad customer service. That's a pet peeve. We went to a restaurant the other